Find the slope and y-intercept of the graph of each linear equation. When you're given a linear equation, one way that you can find the slope and y-intercept of the line it represents is to write the equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals some number m times x plus some number b. And m represents the slope of the line, and b represents the y-intercept, or the y-coordinate where the line crosses the y-axis. To see how this works, let's look at part A. We have the equation y equals 3/4 x minus 5. Notice this is pretty close to slope-intercept form. We have y equals some number times x, but we're not adding a number, we're subtracting a number. So we could rewrite this in slope-intercept form by adding the opposite of 5 instead of subtracting 5. So let's do that. So here's the slope-intercept form. Y equals 3/4 x plus negative 5. So we're multiplying x by a number and adding another number. So for this equation, m equals 3/4 and b equals negative 5. And we know that m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept, so we can answer the question. The slope is 3/4 and the y-intercept is negative 5. Now let's look at part B. We have the equation y plus 1/2 equals negative 6x. This equation is not in slope-intercept form because we don't have it in a form where y equals some number times x plus another number. We do have y plus a number equals some number times x though, so we can rewrite this in slope-intercept form by adding the opposite of 1/2 to each side. So let's do that. When we add the opposite of 1/2 to each side, we get y equals negative 6x plus negative 1/2. So m is equal to negative 6 and b is equal to negative 1/2. And to answer the question, the slope is negative 6 and the y-intercept is negative 1/2. So the slope-intercept form is a very handy form to write a linear equation in, and any linear equation can be written in this form.